Ever wonder why it's important to rotate your tires? Moving a vehicle's tires from one position on the car to another ensures that they wear evenly, which prolongs the life of the tires and improves the vehicle's handling. Like most things, there's more than one way to get the job done. To rotate tires on a front-wheel drive car, move the front tires to the rear, keeping them on the same side of the car. Move the rear tires to the front, swapping sides. Another option is to rotate the tires in an X pattern. The front right tire moves to the left rear, and the left front goes to the right rear. Some performance tire setups have directional treads, meaning they are made for the right or left side only. In this case, you should only switch the right front to the right rear and the left front to the left rear. The fore and rear wheel drive tire rotation pattern reverses the front wheel drive rotation. Move the rear tires to the front, keeping them on the same side of the car. Move the front tires to the rear, swapping sides. In some cases, rear-wheel drive vehicles have larger rear tires, called staggered tires. If your car has this setup, then you'll move the tires from one side to the other and not from the rear to the front. If you're lucky enough to be an all-wheel drive vehicle owner, you can either follow the same pattern as rear-wheel drive vehicles or use the X pattern. There you have it. Simple, right? Do you rotate your own tires? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more car guides and how-tos.